Hi everyone, it's Coach Shelley here, and I'm going to be going through how to use your Ultimate program. So all the other programs fit inside the Ultimate, but of course the Ultimate program is the most popular and it gets the fastest results. So I've been a coach now for 28 years. I've lost 20.2 kilos, 3 dress sizes, over 20 centimeters just off my tummy. I started when I was 20 years old using the product, so I've used it for weight loss, for pregnancy, just for good health and nutrition during my pregnancy. Also helping with my skin as well in that time. Breastfeeding, both girls for 18 months each. So I was, the Chitosan was fantastic for breast milk production, and then for weight loss after kids as well. So now I get to use it for healthy aging. I'll be 49 next month. So yeah, just love the healthy aging benefits as well. So let's go through you. Once you get your program, you're going to start with your Formula 1. So this comes in lots of different flavors: vanilla, chocolate, berry, cookies and cream, and mint choc. Vanilla is probably the most versatile because you can make so many other things with it. You can make it chocolate by adding raw cacao powder or cocoa powder. You can make it berry by adding in frozen berries or fresh berries and lots of ice. And I would recommend that you mix this on either water with lots of ice and other things like that, or almond milk, coconut milk, rice milk, something like that. Skim milk still and low-fat milk still has lactose in it, and sometimes that can cause issues like bloating, diarrhea, constipation, wind, all those fun things, which can slow weight loss down. So once we hit 25 years of age, we actually stop producing the enzyme that breaks down the lactose in the milk, which is why you can be a really big milk drinker early on, and then all of a sudden you're not able to drink milk. So this is what you want to do. So it gets a bit compacted when it travels. So I usually just shake it up and fluff it up a little bit. Then I take the lid off and pull the seal off. And with your scoop, so you'll have a scoop as well. It's basically 2 or 3 scoops per serve. So 2 scoops with this Formula 1 is going to last 2 weeks. So if you've got an Ultimate program, 2 Formula 1s are going to last you the whole month, just so you know. So if you've got 1 Formula 1 and just an Ultimate program in the box or in singles, either way is fine. Just know that in 2 weeks' time, you're going to need another Formula 1, so don't run out. That's the most important thing. And it's quite versatile. So the only thing with the Formula 1, it is heat sensitive, so you can put it in something warm or hot, but not boiling. So you can't boil it, microwave it excessively, and bake with it. It'll still taste fine, but you'll deplete all the nutrients. So this is your Formula 1. So it's great for your blood sugar levels. It's low GI, as you can see, and it helps with the fuel for your body, lean muscles, lots and lots of nutrition, and of course it's part of your cellular nutrition program, which is helping get that villi nice and healthy and able to absorb the nutrition to the cells. So this is so important. The other thing is, if you're gluten intolerant or lactose intolerant, we do have the Formula 1 Select, which is a really great product too. And that one has its own scoop in the tin. So make sure you've got your scoop. Okay, so next product is the Formula 2 multivitamin complex with herbs and botanicals. So when you put that together with the Formula 1, so that makes cellular nutrition. This is the foundation of all the programs to help the villi to regrow and replenish, so that you've got this great surface area for your food to pass through and absorb to the cellular level. So that's so important. So Formula 2 is 1 tab 3 times a day. Spread them out, of course, don't have them all at once because your body will only take so much. Great for cravings and stress, but it gives you all those vitamins and minerals that your body needs. So everything you need, your body needs in balance with the Formula 1 as well, but also helping with those cravings and with stress too. So when we sleep, our cells turn over at night, so it's really important that we're having the last one in the evening just to help with that recovery of your body overnight. So that's your Formula 2s. Cellulose, very popular. So this one helps with the water balance and the fluid balance in your body. It has electrolytes as well. It also helps promote a healthy urinary tract. So you just have 1 tab 3 times a day. It's just been reformulated to make it more potent, and the tabbies are a little bit smaller and more speckled, which makes them easier to swallow as well. So you can double up on them, but 1 tab 3 times a day to really help with your centimetre loss and fluid balance in your body is what I would suggest. So then you have your NRG, so Nature's Raw Guarana. It's a really natural product. It helps with the energy balance in your body. And of course, most adults are tired, so it's good to have it for energy. So if you're not a morning person, have it in the morning. If you get tired in the afternoon and have an energy slump, this is a great time to have it in the afternoon. So you can have 2 tabs at a time, just with a glass of water and just as you need it. It's one of those individual products, so you can have more, but if you have 2 a day, it's going to last 1 month. So that's that product. Your last tabby is your probiotic complex. So this helps with your digestive health and your immune system and your bowel health. So when your digestive system works well, it's so much easier to improve your health and so much easier to lose weight. So this is just one a day product. It's in a little capsule. You can actually break it open. My girls just chew it, but you can break it open and put it in some water. But I just have it one a day. But of course, you know, if you know anyone that's on antibiotics or having a lot of problems with their immune system, they can take extra if they need. So that's a really good one for the tummy health. Okay, and then the last three products are things that you can drink, which is really cool. So let's grab all those. My favorite is Instant Herbal Beverage. So this one comes in peach, cinnamon, and original lemon. So original lemon's my favorite. It's not particularly sweet, but I really like it. And the peach is a little bit sweeter, and the cinnamon is sweeter as well, which is sweetened with stevia. So when I get it, I usually just poke a hole in the top with a pen, just stab it, and then put a hole in the top, and then I pour it out like that. So there's 60 teaspoons in this, so this will last a month if you're having 2 a day and using a teaspoon at a time. But in saying that, you can have as much as you like. So you can have it strong or weak, hot or cold, and as many cups as you like. It helps to give you a natural energy boost, helps with cravings. It's full of antioxidants with that green tea, really high quality green tea that you're ingesting, not just dipping like when you dip a tea bag in water. You're actually getting the whole thing through your system. It's very alkalining on the body, so great first thing in the morning. And just to give you that energy boost if you're not a morning person. Counts as your water, which is really, really important, because remember, tea and coffee are a diuretic. They don't count as your water, so this one does. And it just helps to get your metabolism going as well in that fat burning mode, which most people are trying to do, get their bodies from being sluggish to being more efficient. So this is a great way of doing it. I used to eat a whole block of chocolate in one go, and I don't do that anymore because of this wonderful product. I would suggest if you're having it cold, still mix it with a little bit of hot water and then add the cold water, because it'll taste a lot smoother once the herbs are infused with the hot water. So that's your instant herbal beverage. Hot or cold, strong or weak, as many cups. You can put it in your drink bottle, take it when you're out walking or exercising, or if you're at work as well. It's great. So I usually have 2 hot of these a day, and then I have some in my water bottle. So herbal aloe, this is the liquid gold. It's great for your digestive system. It comes in mandarin, mango, which are quite sweet, and of course it's a lovely taste. And if you've anyone that has a lot of soft drinks or cordials or anything like this, this is an amazing replacement to that, and so good for your tummies. It does help speed up weight loss, helps the body to absorb nutrition easier. It's very high quality. It's got live enzymes, and it's really high quality aloe vera. The way that they've produced it is the best quality and the best way to extract it out as well. So once you pop the seal, you want to keep it in the fridge, and because it's heat sensitive, so don't put it in anything hot. You can definitely have your herbie beverage hot, but this is definitely not meant to be hot. Sometimes I'll freeze it and put it in ice cubes, or I make icy poles for the girls, and they really like it. It's great as salad dressing as well. If you're having anything with avocado and prawns or salmon or something like that, it's beautiful as a salad dressing, but it's really meant to be in your program to help you get the best results. So 3 cupfuls in the morning in a glass, 3 cupfuls at night. So if you have it morning and night, you'll get the best results, and it'll last a month. But if you want to have more, that's perfectly fine. The original one is great. It's got a lemony, tangy taste, so it just depends on people's taste buds. If you've got someone that's more a savoury person, they'll probably like the original. Someone that's a bit of a sweet tooth, they're going to like the mandarin or the mango. Yeah, you can drink as much as you like, and you can definitely mix it cold with your instant herbal beverage and put it together. It's a really nice mix. So that's another way of having it as well. So this is going to help speed up and enhance your weight loss. So having a glass in the morning, 3 cupfuls or more, and a glass at night after your meals or before you go to bed is going to really help your digestive system. So that's your herbal aloe. And then lucky last is the active fiber complex. It has its own scoop. So basically you'll put a scoop into each of your smoothies with your Formula 1, but you can also have it separate. It actually makes a really nice drink mix if you mix these 3 together, which is your aloe, your herbie beverage, and your active fiber. So that makes a really nice mix. So I'd probably do 1 scoop of this, 3 to 6 cupfuls of this, 1 or 2 teaspoons of this in 1 or 2 litres of water, depending on how strong I want it. That makes a really nice mix to have throughout the day. And we also use that as part of our Glow Lean challenge. Of course, you can put it into your shakes, which makes it really easy, and it thickens it up and makes it more filling. And the active fiber complex is your soluble and insoluble fiber. So the job for fibre, of course, is bowel health, which is really important, and most adults do not get enough fibre, so this is a great way of boosting it naturally. And you can also use it to absorb some of the bad fats and take it out of your system, because that's the other job of fibre, and to gently scrub the bowels, which helps with bowel health and that feeling of fullness. So all those things are really important with fibre, making sure you're drinking enough water with it as well. You can also mix it in some hot or warm water and have it like a warm drink. A lot of people like doing that in winter. Someone told me it tasted a bit like warm apple cider. But you can also put it in yogurt as a snack too. So there's lots of different ways of having it. It doesn't just have to be in your smoothie. So just decide, how do I like to have my Active Fibre Complex? So that is actually the ultimate program. So some of the tips would be, before you start, make sure you fill out your nutrition profile and your results chart. Definitely measuring is so important. You're going to lose a lot of centimetres, and we want to track that and celebrate everything we can. Take some before photos just for yourself, so you've got something to compare to. Maybe see what clothes are a bit tight. That as you go along, you can see as they get looser. That's always a nice way to celebrate too. So yes, we want you to weigh, but we also want you to measure. And if you're able to do your body composition scan with one of the coaches, that would be great too. And that way you can see what's happening on the inside with your muscle mass, body fat and hydration levels. So let us know if you need a body scan. So that's basically it. We have lots and lots of recipes for your Formula One. So let us know if you need any ideas. You can eat it or drink it. You can put it in porridge, on cereal, in yogurt with berries. You can make overnight oats, chia seed puddings, and you can also have lots of smoothies. And you can do a very simple smoothie with water or coconut water or almond milk, but then you can go quite gourmet and add in lots of different yummy things that you like as well. So we've got heaps of recipe books. Let us know if you need them, and work closely with your coach. So they'll get you started. They'll get in contact with you on day 1, day 4, and day 7 to get you off to a really great start, and then track your results weekly to help you get to your goals, whatever that may be. If you're looking to lose weight, great. For extra energy, being healthier, gaining lean muscle, maybe gaining healthy weight if you're underweight, or maybe just maintaining a healthy weight range. You can achieve all of that on your ultimate program. And of course, you can tailor your program to suit any budget as well. So looking forward to helping you all with your goals. I hope you found that really helpful. Make sure you've got your how to use chart, which basically goes, you can have your Formula One for brekkie, a snack, Formula One for lunch, snack, and then your main meal. Just cut back, have whatever you like, just cut back. Can you still have pizza? Yes, just have less. Or, you know, anything you want. But of course, you know, the healthier you eat, the better results you're going to get. So just, you know, eat in moderation, earn your treat, use a smaller plate. That works really well for me at dinner time, being a notoriously big eater, and just have fun with it and enjoy it. And your coach is always here to help you. So looking forward to seeing your results. Have a great day, and I hope you found this helpful. Okay.